As you can see, this is probably about a week and a half after the actual event, and as we flying through this here now, you can see the actual straight ahead path heading straight through to Coolangatta, right at the end of this, all the way right through to Coolangatta. It's like a straight line and then it goes straight up over the edge of the Coolangatta Mount. Absolutely amazing, it just ripped it apart like a shredder. Quite unbelievable actually. Nature can be very destructive. As we're passing over 7 Mile Beach Road here and then out into the swamp area, we'll run this across in this path and it's heading straight through here. You can see ahead some of the trees down, running up the side of Coolangatta Mount. A very distinctive, unforgiving path. You can see either like 50 metres either side of the actual path of destruction. It's untouched, but you can see the size of some of these trees that just got absolutely and utterly smashed. Yeah, below me there now, where you just flew over then, absolutely torn apart. So it almost looks as though a milling machine has gone through and just milled all the tops out of trees. See right up over here the side of Coolangatta Mountain, it's absolutely ripped it to pieces here. But it doesn't, it's quite an interesting situation there through the gullies where it hasn't seemed to have done a great deal. It has hit the ground down below us. Knocked again the tops out here and headed on its path straight through across the river straight ahead here and then diverting down Carrera Road, right down through the centre of town and then out through the centre of town. So yeah, it had a bit of an interesting little path. It decided to stay.